The Kadupul flower, Epiphyllum oxypetalum, also known as the Dutchman's pipe cactus, Queen of the Night, and Princess of the Night, is a remarkable and enchanting flower native to Sri Lanka. It belongs to the cactus family, Cactaceae, and is renowned for its exquisite beauty, fascinating blooming habits, and cultural significance. Here is an in-depth look at this extraordinary plant. Botanical description. Kingdom, Plantae. Clade, Angiosperms. Order, Caryophyllus. Family, Cactaceae. Genus, Epiphyllum. Species, E. oxypetalum. The Kadupul flower is an epiphytic cactus, meaning it grows on other plants, typically trees, rather than in soil. It is not parasitic, deriving nutrients and moisture from the air and rain, rather than the host plant. This growth habit is common in tropical and subtropical rainforests. Appearance. The plant itself has long, flat, succulent stems that can grow several feet in length. These stems are typically green and may have a slightly serrated edge. The flower of the Kadupul plant is the main attraction. It is large, often reaching up to 30 centimeters, 12 inches, in diameter. The blooms are white or cream-colored and exude a sweet, fragrant scent. The petals are delicate and elongated, forming a starburst pattern. Blooming habits. One of the most captivating aspects of the Kadupul flower is its blooming habit. It blooms only at night, usually starting around midnight, and wilts before dawn. This nocturnal blooming has earned it the monikers Queen of the Night and Princess of the Night. The transient nature of its bloom makes it an elusive and highly prized flower. Many people consider witnessing the Kadupul flower in full bloom a rare and almost mystical experience. Cultural significance. In Sri Lankan culture, the Kadupul flower holds significant spiritual and symbolic value. It is often associated with good fortune and is revered in various myths and legends. In Buddhism, the flower is seen as a symbol of purity and enlightenment. The rarity and fleeting nature of its bloom have also made it a symbol of ephemeral beauty and the transient nature of life. Growing conditions. The Kadupul flower thrives in warm, humid environments typical of tropical rainforests. It requires indirect light, as direct sunlight can scorch its delicate stems and flowers. The ideal temperature range for this plant is between 15 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It needs a well-draining growing medium, such as a mix designed for epiphytic cacti, which often includes bark, perlite, and other materials that allow for aeration and proper drainage. Care and maintenance. Watering. The Kadupul flower requires careful watering. The soil should be kept moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common problem in succulents. During the growing season, spring and summer, it is essential to water more frequently, allowing the top layer of the soil to dry out between waterings. In the dormant period, fall and winter, watering should be reduced. Fertilizing. Regular fertilizing during the growing season can promote healthy growth and flowering. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer designed for cacti and succulents is suitable. Fertilizing should be done every 4 to 6 weeks from spring to late summer. Pruning. Pruning is not generally required for the Kadupul flower, but removing any dead or damaged stems can help maintain the plant's health and appearance. If the plant becomes too large, it can be trimmed back, and the cuttings can be propagated. Propagation. The Kadupul flower can be propagated through stem cuttings. The cuttings should be taken from healthy, mature stems and allowed to dry for a few days to form a callus before planting in a suitable growing medium. It is essential to keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment to encourage root development. Challenges and pests. Like many epiphytic cacti, the Kadupul flower can be susceptible to pests such as mealybugs, spider mites, and scale insects. Regular inspection and prompt treatment with insecticidal soap or neem oil can help keep these pests under control. The plant can also be prone to fungal infections, particularly in overly humid conditions or if overwatered. Rarity and conservation. The Kadupul flower is considered rare, not only because of its unique blooming habits but also due to its specific growing requirements. In its native habitat, it is not commonly found, and its elusive bloom makes it even more special. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserve this extraordinary species, particularly as its natural habitat faces threats from deforestation and climate change. Conclusion. The Kadupul flower is a botanical marvel that captivates those fortunate enough to witness its bloom. Its nocturnal flowering, combined with its striking beauty and cultural significance, make it one of the most fascinating plants in the world. Whether admired for its aesthetic appeal, its symbolic meanings, or its unique botanical characteristics, the Kadupul flower remains a symbol of the ephemeral beauty and mystery of the natural world. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.